IKONN User Guide Series. Compatible devices. Your IKONN controller can connect with a wide range of household products labeled as IKONN compatible. To use one of these products, you have to first install it using the Add New Product entry in the main menu.
Training. Settings. Add new product. To add a new accessory product, place it close by. Turn on the new product and then press OK to connect it.
Ensure that the product you want to add is turned on and nearby before commencing the scan. Depending on the product, that might require inserting new batteries, removing the insulating strip, or pressing the connection button. If you are unsure how to do this, you can either press the Help button to receive additional instructions, consult the product's manual, or visit our webpage where we provide you with a training video for every accessory.
Searching. Position the new product nearby. If you have other products of the same type, make sure they are turned off.
Once the search is commenced, IKONN will scan the room for about 10 seconds before listing all found products.
New product found. Kitchen scale. Kitchen scale added. To add a new accessory product, place it close by. Turn on the new product and then press OK to connect it.
If there are no more products you wish to add, press the Cancel button to leave the app. IKONN will restart automatically.
Restarting.
After the restart, the new product will be added to the list of options in the main menu.
Kitchen scale. Turn on the scale, then press OK to begin weighing. Searching. Kitchen scale connected. Weight 0 grams.